Okay, hello YouTube. So I'm back, and I'm in a different truck, and I'm in a different location. I shot 3 videos, and the sound was all messed up. So I'm starting over. I already have my truck now. I've hooked my trailer up to it. See if I can get out of here without hitting the freaking bay. And I'll pull over here and give you an outside view of it. Let's stop here and take a look. I just have a Kenworth W900 day cab. Now you may notice the logo is not on the door. I don't know, the logo mod, if I put the when I get some more money and I put the sleeper cab on, it'll put the logo near the back of the sleeper, but with the day cab and this Kenworth, it will not put it on there. So it is what it is. So I gave a mutt my Freightliner, and I hired Lucas. Did I miss this? I hired a driver named Lucas to drive the Peterbilt, and I am driving this Kenworth.
Get ready to turn right.
And I am pulling my trailer because I only have 400 horsepower, so I won't be doing any heavy loads for a while. I kept a pretty basic cab as far as the layout of it. I do have a bobblehead Chihuahua down there. I got me a drink. And
go straight on.
I did get the I got a transmission with a retarder because I like using that retarder. And we'll see. Here's what the horn sounds like. So I don't have the big train horn anymore. Windshield wipers work.
Get ready to turn right.
I can't read the digital dash, or the digital speedometer, I mean. So that's a little awkward, but I have it on the little GPS down at the bottom. You can see them all the way down to 14,000. You can see them all the way down to 8,000. Which I knew I was getting myself in a little bit of a bind. That's why I don't have the sleeper cab yet, because I knew those loan payments are coming. I'm going to pull up here and we'll back in. And then I'll show you the map, show you where we're headed. I'm not backing up if I don't put it in reverse. It's the same as the other truck. You have to put it in reverse to go backwards. I don't know who came up with that system. I'm really hopeful that you can hear me. I feel like I'm a little bit that direction. Probably because I am a little bit that direction. Move it over a little bit. I have the door to the shed out here, the arcade open, try to let some cooler air in before it gets super hot outside, so I'm having a little trouble with glare. Alright. I never did set the... I never did set the hazard zone while I was maneuvering in there.
Time to hit the road.
Where does it show me? I'm looking for the indicator that the parking brake is on. Oh, there it is. I had turned it off. That's why. Let's take a look. Everything's looking good. I mean, I didn't unhook. Look at the length of those air hoses on this thing. I didn't get crazy with any of the mods yet. I will in the future. Alright. Kill the parking brake. And let's hit the road. Trying to check out the sound mix, make sure it looks okay. But I can't tell. I can't tell until I listen to it. Oh, well, I'll come up here. I forgot to show you the map.
Turn left.
Let's take a look at the map, show you where we're headed. Alright, so here we are in Odessa. I'm going to go over here, get on Loop 338. We're going to head north towards Lubbock. And then we are going to, then we're going to get on, we'll be on 62 up here, turn left on 84, cross into New Mexico, and we're headed to Albuquerque. And we are delivering to Walmart. So that's the plan. 465 miles. We got a bit of a drive ahead of us. So buckle up. I have no idea what I talked about in the last 3 videos that I lost. A lot of it was about buying the new truck and hiring the new drivers and all that stuff. I'd used this computer for doing the live stream last night with the guys. Normally I was using my laptop, but we did this show from in here. I did my portion of the show from in here. Of course, everyone else was at their house. And I messed with this microphone setting because when I use, oh jeepers, when I use the built-in microphone with the camera, the nice camera that I use for the live show, it picks up the air conditioner too loud. So I used this microphone that I use for this, and I changed the settings like an idiot, and I forgot to change it back. So I am using this Kenworth because our new friend Gideon, he bought the DLC for the... What are you doing? He bought the DLC for the Kenworth W900 for myself and for Greg. G. Parker's Arcade Room. Really nice of you. Appreciate it, Gideon. So I went ahead and purchased it. And as soon as I get some more money going on, I'm going to turn it into the sleeper cab instead of the day cab. Oh, and get some more horsepower. Because look at this, I am floored right now. I left the skull in the Freightliner for a Mut. Skull can keep him in line. This one is Chrome Skull in here.
Go straight on.
Yeah, it's getting warm in here already. Hopefully I don't have to turn on the air conditioner. I'm learning this dash. I'm looking for symbols and stuff to tell me how do I know that I had the cruise set. The Freightliner had it right there on the dash, I could tell. Road work ahead. Left lane closed.
Right, and then exit right. Exit right.
Okay, that retarder light is pretty obvious. Oh, there's...
Keep right, and then turn right.
Put those nose mirrors on because
Turn right.
well, I like them a lot. Let's not cut this corner. 124 miles to Lubbock. Okay, I see the symbol now. It's right there below the A9 on my dash, telling me that it's set. It doesn't tell me what it is set at, but it just tells me that it's set. I don't see anything on the dial to tell me where it's set. I just have to remember. Maybe some later date I'll be able to update my dash and we'll have different gauges. I don't know. I don't know if this is kind of, you get what you get with this. Oh, is there an airplane coming over here? Behind the mirror? Oh my gosh, yeah, there's an airplane. I should probably stay on the road. Good thing those rumble strips are there. Because I couldn't see. There goes his shadow. We'll stay driving. We'll stay driving. I'm not doing so good. What do I got going on for speed here?
Straight on.
Okay, so my fuel gauge is over there. All my brake air pressures and all that. See, I'm not seeing the screen I would like. Yeah. Whoa, there was some torque. I'm not seeing what I would like. I was hoping that I would be able to see the fuel remaining.
Go straight on.
Or distance till I'm out, but I don't see that on my dash.
Go straight on.
Don't you do it. I'm ready on the horn button, green car.
Go straight on.
Pretty convenient. About the time I reach the speed limit, they raise the speed limit. Alright, let's get her on up to 75, or 65 I mean. I can't go 75. So this video will go out Tuesday morning. I will be working Tuesday and Wednesday, so I'm going to have to shoot another video either later today or tomorrow to go out Wednesday morning. I had all 3 videos, one for tomorrow, one for Wednesday, one for Friday, or Thursday. And they're all lost, so here we are. Heading up to Lubbock. I do like the mirror locations on this. It's way pushed towards the edge. I think I'm probably blocking it. I'm blocking most of the small round mirror with my screen, but I can see in it pretty well. I'll probably have to adjust them though. Here, Texas Tech Parkway. My doctor that did all my surgeries last year, he was a Texas Tech doctor. Dr. Ng was his name, still is his name, just spelled N-G. Really nice guy. Awesome doctor, did a great job. He took out the mass that they found, and I had a not so good experience with my colonoscopy when I was turned 50. They found something. Dr. Ng took it out. It was cancer free, so that's good. And then right after that, my gallbladder decided to
and then exit right.
not be so good, so Dr. Ng took that out also for me.
Exit right.
Great doctor. So it was nice having the same doctor do multiple procedures for me, so I didn't have to learn a whole new doctor and all that.
Turn left.
I had one of my follow-ups, just so you know, and everything's looking good, so I don't have to have another colonoscopy for 3 years, so that's good. With the history I have, it could have been every year if things didn't look good, so that's always good. That's always good. This is a 10-speed transmission. At some point I will upgrade
Go straight on.
to a 13 or something, I don't know. I don't know much about trucks. I don't know much about all that stuff. All I know is what I had before and what I'm looking at. I think this is the truck I bought in the very beginning. I think I bought a Kenworth and then I traded it in for the Freightliner. And then I bought that Peterbilt for a mutt. I probably should have left a mutt in the Peterbilt because he was on a long run, and when I changed all the trucks around,
Go straight on.
he had to stop. I lost that run, so I lost some income there. I'm just hopeful that with 2 drivers, you know, I'll have that side income coming in quicker. I opted for the driver I chose. Lucas actually was not the best, highest rated driver that was available, but I liked his skill sets better. The one that had a higher rating, he just had fuel efficiency. He didn't have any high value cargo or any of that stuff, so pretty long train. I think it's messing up my recording probably, because it looks a tad choppy for me. So probably the recording is even a little worse. Man, we still have 300 miles to go. This is a long drive. I guess I could do it backwards. It's telling me my trip fuel. I don't know how to reset that. It's telling me my trip fuel, so I guess I would know how, but that doesn't tell me anything. That's no different than having the dang. Whoa. These idiots don't know how to merge early. Wow. I mean, I guess that's kind of on me too, because I was blowing by them, but listening to this video before I shoot another one. I've learned that mistake. I learned from that mistake. And if all is well, the next video there will be air conditioning running, because I am sweating already. It's a shame that video didn't come out, because the first one I shot, we had a hell of a storm here. There was a couple of thunders that sounded like they were right above the house, you know, and I'm out here in this trailer, so it was loud. Five hours. That's 15 minutes of real time if we don't have any city driving. If it's all just highway driving, that'll be 15 minutes, but if there's any cities, that'll slow us down.
Go straight on. This is slowing us down. Oh, we got a train. We've got a train crossing us. Maybe I shouldn't have put that mod in it. Makes the trains longer. Here we're stuck. Oh, let me see. I have that other mod that has AI traffic sounds. Let's see if we can hear this guy's truck when we go to take off. Day cab, so I can see. Oh, that guy's pissed. Look at him. You can't even dig if you don't get in the damn thing. You gotta drive the tractor if you want to dig.
Alright, let's see. Not really. Not really hearing it. Look at this clown. Right in the middle of the road. Welcome to Texaco. There's the New Mexico sign.
Go straight on.
So is that supposed to be like Texarkana? But this is the New Mexico side, so it's Texaco. Fort Sumner, 65 miles. That's part of the Billy the Kid Trail. I think Billy the Kid is buried up near Fort Sumner. Supposedly. Speed zone here again. Yeah, so much for making that in 15 minutes. Clovis.
Go straight on.
We have discovered Clovis. That's 8 out of 14 in the land of enchantment known as New Mexico. Roswell.
Go straight on.
Man, look at that big old. Wonder what they got on there. Crane and stuff? I don't know. It's pretty big though. Well, it looks like there's some kind of photo op up here. This is a long video anyway, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. If there's a pull off the side and watch a video, we're going to pull off the side and watch the video. They're hiring right over there. If anyone's looking for a job, you can go to Clovis. Get hired. Perhaps. I think we're still in Clovis. Are we still in Clovis? Get to this thing. Is it a photo or is it a video? Sometimes I think it's a place that you just take a picture and then it has the video thing. Oh, looky here, looky here. Backwards, of course. Clovis Memorial Park. Camera's a little clunky. That's what we're talking about right there. That's cool. That is cool. Hula Girl's shaking her tush at it. Well, she's not shaking it right now, but Skull Guy, look at him, he's eyeballing that jet. He's like, we should trade up there, boss. Domino's Pizza delivers. That's a serious delivery. You gotta have your pizza delivered in a semi-truck. Kind of narrow roads here. 52 miles to Fort Sumner. Nice truck. Little pickup over here. Uh-oh, right lane ends. That's me. Get over in front of that little hot rod pickup. Oh, I thought, oh my gosh. I thought that guy was going to turn left or something. I don't know where he was going to be turning. I didn't realize he was just going around that slow car, who then decided to take off. What time is it? We're going to get there at 10:30 at night. You see, let me put my window down and see what this Jake brake sounds like. Doesn't sound like much, does it? Let's put that window up. So now it's my turn to pass this guy. The sun right in my eyes. Kind of a windy road for me to be trying to pass somebody. This truck does not have the horsepower my other truck had, so I can't just goose it and go. Right now I am goosed. Look at that train going by. That's right, I changed that. That was my lights before. I can't see. The sun is coming right in my windshield. I can't see what's coming. All I can see is that this guy is a dumbass. All those interstates and stuff I drive on, when I would have been able to pass, do I get behind this little guy like it? No, it's on this road. Maybe he's coming to visit Billy the Kid.
Go straight on.
I'm gonna have to speed to get by this guy, but I am not. What was that sound? Drive by Billy the Kid Museum. Requires a DLC.
Keep right and then turn right. Turn right.
Oh, are you kidding me? He's turning right too. This is kind of narrow. I know I'm speeding because I'm hoping for another little passing lane I can get around this guy. "30 miles an hour. Santa Rosa's 30-something miles. Maybe I'll be able to get around this guy by then. At least now the sun glare isn't in my eyes, and I might be able to see headlights, so this is where I would have been able to pass that guy. It's long enough straightaway. I don't know, this guy doesn't have his headlight. Oh, there he does. Oh, never sure if I'm turning or if it's just a bend in the road. I'm going to keep left. Little rest stop right here. Stopped at that rest stop and slept. Again, it's hard.
Right. And then turn.
Hard for me to drive at night because when that door is open behind me.
Turn right.
Hopefully there'll be a bigger rest stop up here on the interstate. It's not 35 here. I'm on the freaking interstate. How far am I? 122 miles. We'll probably be in this one the rest of the way in the dark. See. Serious glare. Rest area, 1 mile. Can I sleep there? Looks like it.
A new route.
There's a video thing here at the rest area. Truck stop tour.
Go straight on.
Oh, what the hell? We got a long video now anyway, so let's see. Let's do the nighttime truck stop tour. Look, I'm blocking traffic. Route 66 West. There's my truck up there. Okay, yeah, that's enough of that. Let's get going. Everyone behind me is like, I want to sleep. Sleep in here. Just try not to hit the trash can. Getting some rest. And what made me some money? Look at there. Look at there. seen Lucas make me no money yet. $25 here. I'm speeding a little bit, but that's okay. I got to get up to highway speed. Any cop that would give me a ticket right here is a dick and a half. Pushing it for this. No. I gotta pay attention because look at my fuel tank. My fuel tank is, I'll bet you I'm at a quarter tank when I get there. So this will be a good gauge of how far I can go. Notch to the retarder. Oh, I see. The light goes off if it's not doing the retarder. I don't guess I need the retarder. I saw that downhill grade sign. I thought maybe it would be a problem. But it doesn't appear to be. There's a tramway on that boulevard. Historic Route 66. This might be the first time, assuming that there's no construction. Every time I've ever driven through Albuquerque, there's been construction. My brother used to live in Albuquerque. Way back in the day. He was stationed there for the Army. We got 20 miles still, so we're going to be on the far side of town. Oh, we got to turn right up here. Which road am I going on here? I'm bending even further right. Coming into this a little hot. Right lane ends. And I'm getting off immediately here.
Right, and then exit right.
Who the girl's
Exit
digging
right.
at?
Keep left, and then turn left. Turn left.
Alright, yeah. See, we're down to about a quarter tank of gas. So What did we use? 87 gallons. Now I haven't adjusted the seats or anything in here, so I just left it where it was. I may or may not do some adjustments. I feel like I'm sitting high maybe, but it's okay. I'm a pretty tall guy. I do have to adjust the mirrors though. That guy started to go, didn't he? Unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Oh.
Keep right and then turn right.
I'm not sure what happened there. It just... straightforward. Don't hit that trailer. Get in the spot. Fly in here. Surprise, I missed it. Might be salvage. I don't think so. Never looked at how far. So yeah, so 500 miles is about as far as I want to go. 18 grand though. That helps. That helps a lot. $18,000. Let's see what our drivers are doing. Where's Where's Lucas? What's he doing? He is on duty. He's heading for from Odessa to Waco. He's headed down to Waco. So he doesn't tell me how much that's worth, but he's most of the way there, so that's cool. And then he's Holbrook to Phoenix. Finishes in 12 hours. When does Lucas finish? 3 hours. And we're up here in Albuquerque in my W900 with my reefer. All right, so there we go. I'm up to 33,000. They both get paid, and I do one more job. I'll be able to upgrade my truck to that sleeper cab. Looking forward to that. I think it's going to cost me around 50 grand though. We'll see. We'll see. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.